Honestly, has the most start. Oh, we're gone, bro. The car needs gas. The car does need gas, bro. What's oh, that actually. Yeah. Here, I'll let you guys listen to my music while I'm driving too. This is like one of my favorites, or if not my favorite. Love that song, bro. It's so goddamn good. So damn good. I never get bored of it just listening to it. I'll pull the windows down a little bit. And it failed me again. I love that boost sound. I love it. I love it when it just goes. It's like the best sound ever. Also, I switched lanes a little quick. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm about to pull my window up. Oh my god. Is this what drugs do to people, bro? Like, that is just sad. Nice. My right away. Okay, we're pretty close. Yeah, we're pretty close. God damn, I love that sound. I love it. Damn, 209? Damn! Damn, there's so many people just filling up, bro. I cannot go to that gas station because it's already full of people. I didn't want to turn where that pothole was, but I had to because I was taking a little too long. Enough Ferrari. I just saw a yellow Ferrari, bro. That's nice, but I don't know. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Don't tell me you're full, please. Thank you, my goodness. Okay, Circle K. 10 it is. And here, mine, go! Oh shit. A little too much. There we go. There we go. Okay, we'll be right back when I pay. Okay. But just like that. And we put. Damn, someone really put $5, bro. Hella broke. Joke, by the way. That's a joke. I'm not blaming on broke people. I was once broke. I wasn't able to afford this Mustang. I'll put you right. Actually, you know what? Put you right here. Right there. Then boom. I could have gone for more, but. Someone just filling up so much. Okay. That didn't get me nowhere. Damn it. I might have to put another 10, bro. I might just have to put another 10, but who knows. Here we go. Perfect. Not the best angle, but you know what? Doesn't matter. It got dark, bro. Damn. Okay, that's for some odd reason. Actually, it is pretty humid, bro. I'm not gonna lie. And then they turned on the lights too. Shouldn't have turned mine on too. But we gotta go back to the gas station again because I do need to fill her up again. Not because I ran it already. Putting a ducktail on the Ultima is pretty criminal, not gonna lie. Please go, please. Why? Why are you doing that? Why? Blocking the damn road. It's starting to get dark out too. So I need to pick up the pace. Alright, I'm gonna just turn, bro. Or not turn, but switch lanes because it is just taking forever, bro. Look, I'm getting hella tired, bro. Like, come on. Oh my god. Pretty close. We are pretty close. Actually, I don't know. I don't know about that one, bro. I don't know. And I grabbed 2 lanes. Thank you. What the f are we doing, bro? Weirdly, that one is not full. Number 7. Yes. Number 7. Number 7. Fuck. 8 gallons? 4. Oh my god. Damn, it really did affect everyone, bro. It really did affect everyone, bro. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Alright, perfect. Alright. Time to go to the gas station. Hi guys. Number 10 and number 7. Thank you. Telling you, it's like always they get attracted by the camera. Yeah. This is a good thing to have a camera like this because you'll always be prepared on what's going to happen next, even if you don't expect it, but at least your camera would.
Wherever you're headed, Discount Tire wants to get you there safely. That's why we...
My new song, playing now, perfect for your road trip, for that slow country feel.
I am not a big fan of country, bro.
Your car...
My car what? Shut your bitch. Please. Yes! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I actually got it. I got it right at the dot, bro. Holy. So I think it costed me 25 bucks. 25 bucks to fill up my tank, bro. I'll roll down the windows just once more. Once more before we head into the winter storm. I'll do one pull. I'll do one pull just for you guys. Just for you guys. Holy, is she quick. And here's another one that's the older gen, but holy is she quick.